Okay, we make gable ends with a little slope like this. That's more like decorational to make nice and sleek corner. I'll just show you how we do it. So I measure 3 inches here, 3 inches here, make a mark. Then from this point going to this 3-inch mark, that's my straight line, as much as I can make it straight. And then from this point to this point we make another sort of notch, so something like that. Now taking the snips and going this way, like this, to create area like this. Now on another side we make a notch here, and we need to make this cut, otherwise when we fold it this edge we're gonna be scratching the panels. So just make like 45. After that make a fold, so gable looks like this, and now we put in a screw right here, so creating a nice corner piece. It's gonna cover our gable end, and it's gonna look really nice and sharp from front of the house.